Hello everyone, welcome back to Review Value. Today in this video, I'm back with another smartphone, Apple iPhone 17 Pro. This is the latest smartphone launched from Apple. After a long time, they took a little bit long time to launch this device. Along with this mobile, we have a charger. Previously they used to provide or like a charging. Right now they're not providing any charging. In this box we have only cable. This time they try to make quality cable. Previously the quality of the cables were very cheaper, easily tow. And coming with this mobile, we have a like a SIM ejector. We are placing this thing aside. And coming to the smartphone, we have a all 48 megapixel. Every camera in this mobile has backside is 48 megapixel. Comes with the 8 prone lens in your pocket, higher resolution 24 like a photo by the default. And this comes the 48 megapixel fusion main camera. Coming to the main camera, like a 24 to 48 mm focal length, 1x 2x, and it comes to 1.7 aperture, 2.4 ultra quad pixel technology. And coming to second, 48 fusion wide camera at 13 focal length, 5x macro, and f2.2 aperture and 1.4 ultra quad pixel. And coming to 40 megapixel fusion telephoto camera and 100 to 200 focal length, comes with a 4x 8x f2.2 aperture and comes with a 1.4 ultra megapixel camera. These are the complete details about the camera. We can with this camera we can shoot 4K, like a 4K 60 fps. We can up to shoot 120 fps camera. And coming to RAID camera center, we have a 18 megapixel center stage camera. From front camera, total frames charge, you can, without moving your phone, you can add your friends and everything. We have a center stage camera. We can take a center stage photo, dual capture video, and dual stabilization video, as well as center stage video calling. Also we have a more pro and need agents, like a 17 Pro is a challenge with more pro video features that ever, like enhanced video stabilization and cinematic grace specific and stabilized industry, like a 20 Pro put power in filmmaking tools with reach wherever you need to them. And coming to the new dimensions in this mobile, comes with allow for even higher sustainable performance with a breakthrough thermal management key, most powerful iPhone ever crashed, like iPhone 17 Pro chipset. It comes with a 8A19 Pro chipset. Silicon powering iPhone Pro delivers the highest iPhone performance ever. Ideal for the advanced gaming for most tasks, like a graphics piece, like it has the GPU and CPU delivers up to 40% better sustained performance. And neural acceleration comes with the GPU Core 17, more powerful ever when working with the AI models. Coming to a battery life, all day, like comes with a ever foam battery life and up to 3 more hours per full charge compared to previous generation. It comes with up to 31 hours of video playback, and as well as we had as the 17 Pro Max, and up to 37 hours of videos like a videos playback in iPhone 17 Pro Max. Come two mobiles, like it comes with a 50% charge in 20 minutes with higher voltage power. iPhone Pro with a 40% faster charging, comes with a 6-core CPU and 2x faster 6-core CPU GPU, and 8 more hours video playback in 17 Pro, up to 14 more hours playback in a 17 Pro Max. This is the all features of this mobile. This is the unique body design, comes with the Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, 5G connectivity, and eSIM also. This mobile is loaded with iOS 26 new even more magic. I hope this is the complete information about this mobile. Backside we have a Type-C. You can charge your mobile with a Type-C, as well as we have this unique design body. And this side we have a volume rocker, and this is a one mobile switch. We can easily, with the single hand we can easily hold, but comparatively iPhone 8, this mobile was little bit heavier and very smooth. You need to carry, at least we need to apply like a good quality case, otherwise it will may fall down from your hands. Unfortunately the cost of this glass is very expensive. I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe to look at coupon just for more review value for more videos like this. Thank you. Stay tuned.